Hi everyone, let's get started. The history of emus is a fascinating tale that spans millions of years and involves a variety of evolutionary and historical milestones. Emus belong to the genus Dromaius, and the species most commonly known is Dromaius novaehollandiae. They are large flightless birds native to Australia and are the second largest bird species in the world, with only the ostrich surpassing them in size. Ancient origins. The emu's ancestors date back to the Cretaceous period, approximately 66 million years ago, when the landmasses of South America, Antarctica, Australia, and India formed a supercontinent called Gondwana. During this time, emu-like birds roamed these continents. However, as the continents drifted apart, these birds became isolated in Australia, leading to the emergence of unique bird species, including the modern-day emu. Indigenous cultural significance. For tens of thousands of years, emus have played a significant role in the lives of Indigenous Australian peoples. These birds have been featured in their creation myths, Dreamtime stories, and various cultural ceremonies. Emus were a vital source of food, and their feathers were used for adornments and traditional rituals. Colonization and European encounter. When European settlers arrived in Australia in the late 18th century, they encountered emus for the first time. The first recorded encounter with emus by Europeans occurred during Captain Cook's expedition in 1770 when naturalist Joseph Banks described the bird's appearance and behavior. In the early 19th century, emus were largely considered a curiosity, but as settlements expanded and agriculture grew, the emu's impact on crops became a concern. In the 1930s, emu populations had significantly increased, and they started to raid farms for food, particularly during times of drought. In response, the Australian government launched a controversial Emu War in 1932, in which soldiers armed with machine guns were sent to cull emus and protect farmlands. The campaign, however, was largely ineffective, and the emus continued to thrive. Conservation efforts. As the 20th century progressed, a greater understanding of Australia's unique wildlife emerged, leading to efforts to protect and conserve emus and their habitat. Emus were eventually classified as a protected species, and hunting them without a license became illegal. Conservation measures have aimed to preserve their natural environments and educate the public about the importance of these iconic birds. Emus in modern times. Emus remain a vital part of Australia's cultural heritage, and their significance in Indigenous traditions endures. They have also become popular tourist attractions in various wildlife parks and zoos worldwide. Beyond their cultural importance, emus continue to be essential to Australia's ecosystem. As a keystone species, they contribute to seed dispersal and the shaping of vegetation in their habitats. Their presence influences the behavior of other species and helps maintain the delicate balance of Australia's unique ecosystems. In recent times, scientists have continued to study emus, their behavior, and physiology. By unlocking the secrets of their unique adaptations, researchers have gained valuable insights into avian evolution and ecological dynamics. In conclusion, the history of emus is a story of resilience, cultural significance, and ecological importance. From their ancient origins on the supercontinent Gondwana to their ongoing conservation efforts in modern times, these remarkable flightless birds continue to captivate the hearts and minds of people worldwide. Their survival and prosperity depend on the collective efforts of society to preserve their natural habitats and protect their place in Australia's rich tapestry of life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.